Before we get into the video, I just want to say that this video is not scripted. I made this video around 8 months ago, and I've just got back to posting it again. So, yes. And it was deleted. So, here's a remastered version. Hope you enjoy. Between the early and mid-90s, Electromotor Division and General Electric were competing to have a horsepower race to see who can build the largest, fastest, and most powerful locomotive that they can muster. After the success of their AC44C6Ms, General Electric decided to make another locomotive, but this time with DC current. Introduced in 1993, the -944CWs and the -940CWs were built for heavy coal drags and heavy freight trains on NS's system. NS was immediately impressed with these engines. They ordered a grand total of 1,215 diesels of this class. These workhorses served the Thoroughbred Railroad for 23 incredible years until 2014 came around. In 2014, NS decided to rebuild all of their -9, 44CW, and 40CW fleet to make it because AC current was more efficient and more reliable. The AC44C6Ms came about as a result of Norfolk Southern wanting to rebuild their -940CW fleet and their -944CW fleet, including their standard cab -9s. They decided to swap out their DC traction motors in favor of AC current because they were more reliable. As a result of the rebuild program, NS decided to paint 5 C6Ms in special paint schemes. 4000 and 4001 painted in the blue main paint scheme. 4002, 3, and 4 and 5 were painted in the black main paint scheme. But in my opinion, 4001 and 4000 look a lot better in blue. The Norfolk Southern AC44C6Ms were powered by the legendary GE 7FDL-16 prime motor with a 4-stroke cycle, turbocharger, and ability to air start. C6Ms had 4 GE 5GE B13 B7 AC traction motors, a length of 73 feet, 2 inches, a weight of 432,000 pounds, the wheelbase 13 feet 7 inches, the diameter of the wheels 40 inches, and they rode on 2 GE HIAD self-steering trucks. These locomotives were fitted with 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th gen K5LAs and also Nathan P5s from the -9s. Here are some examples. AC stands for AC current, 44 stands for 4400 horsepower, and C6M denotes the model number. As of right now, NS is still rebuilding their Dash 9 fleet, but there are still a lot of Dash 9s out there roaming the NS's system, so you might have a chance to catch them if you're lucky. Thank you all so much for watching this first episode of Engines of Norfolk Southern. I will see you out there on the high iron. Until next time, Gabe. Also, before the video ends, I want to give a shout out to Buccaneer Rail Fanning and Amtrak Guy 365 for inspiring me to do Engines of Norfolk Southern, since no one else has ever done it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.